How to make $100 plus a day online by listening to music. Hey there, Profitability Plus family! Ready to explore a money-making website that's as easy as listening to your favorite tunes? Well, buckle up because we're diving into Mixkit, a platform that not only brings you cool music but also fills up your wallet. Let's jump right in. Ever thought you could earn $4.5 by simply jamming to one song? What about $45 for just 10 songs? The game changer is Mixkit, where people from across the globe are cashing in every minute. No need for a seasoned account. Your laptop or smartphone will do the trick. I'm serious. Come check out this goldmine. Once you hit Mixkit, the sheer variety of music tracks will blow your mind. Hundreds of songs all free for the taking. And guess what? No strings attached. No sign-ups required. Hover over the genres, acoustic or hip-hop, and discover a treasure trove of tracks waiting for you. Skip the corporate jargon and let's keep it chill. Click play, vibe to the beats, and if a track hits the sweet spot, hit that download icon. Now, imagine doing this with multiple tracks because, spoiler alert, that's where the magic happens. Moving on to the cash part, we've got another player in the game, easyupload.com. This platform pays you for sharing your downloaded music. Upload a song, get a link, and watch the money roll in. Simple as that. PayPal acting up? No worries. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are in the game. Let me break it down. Tier 1 countries earn $7 per download. Think United States, Canada, Brazil, and France. Tier 2 with countries like Germany and the UK fetches $6. Tier 3, think Russia and Ukraine, gets you $4. And Tier 4, well, that's $2 for the rest. Oh, did I mention the minimum withdrawal is a chill $1? Referral bonuses are on the table too, but hey, optional. Now, I'm about to drop a real-life example. But first, hit that sign up on easyupload.com. Username, email, password, boom, you're in. Upload your downloaded tracks, grab that link, and let's talk traffic. YouTube is our playground. Search for sound effects for YouTube videos. Millions of views? You bet. Check those video sharing sound effects. Now, Mixkit is your secret stash. Looking for crickets? Type it in, and voila! Choose your sound effects. Download, upload, and here's the kicker. Create videos on Clio.com. Why? Because when those YouTubers need the perfect background tunes, your link is there, waiting. With over 100,000 views, you could be banking over $1,000 a month. Just follow the vibe, pick your sound, and let the cash flow in. Fun fact, the world's longest concert lasted a mind-blowing 639 years. In the 17th century, a group of German musicians decided to perform John Cage's avant-garde composition as slow as possible in a church. The catch? The performance is scheduled to run until 2640, and the audience won't get to hear the final note until then. Talk about a marathon concert experience. Now, if Mixkit and easyupload.com aren't quite hitting the right chord for you, don't fret. The world of making money through music is like a vast symphony, and there are plenty of alternative tunes to explore. Let's dive into some other catchy options. Number 1. Slice the Pie. Earning potential, $0.1 per review. Love sharing your thoughts on music? Slice the Pie might be your ticket to some extra cash. It's one of the largest paid review sites online. Simply kick back, listen to music, and share your reviews. You can earn cash for every review you submit, with an average payout of $0.1 per review. Once you hit $10, cash out to your PayPal account. The cool part? You can review more than just the music itself. Give feedback on record labels or an artist's wardrobe. It's a fun way to be part of the creative process while earning a few dollars. Number 2. Current Rewards. Earning potential, $600 a year. The Current Rewards music app offers up to $600 in cash or gift cards annually just for listening to music. Jam out to curated radio stations of your choice and earn points along the way. Unlike other streaming services, Current has zero fees. record songs from the station to listen offline, bringing back those nostalgic vibes of taping songs off the radio. Besides listening, complete tasks like reaching a certain level in an in-app game or answering a survey to earn points. Redeem them for gift cards or cash transfers to your PayPal account. Number 3. Hit Predictor. Ever dreamt of getting a sneak peek into the music industry? Hit Predictor makes it a reality. It's a peer review site where you share your opinions on music, rate songs, earn 3 points per song, and use your points to enter raffles for Amazon gift cards. Number 4. Playlist Push. If you're a Spotify user with a knack for curating killer playlists, Playlist Push is your stage. Earn from $1.25 to $15 for each song you review. To qualify, you need a public playlist on Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music with a minimum of 1,000 followers. Payments are via TransferWise. Number 5. Radio Earn. Radio Earn offers passive income for music lovers. Sign up for a free account, listen to online radio station, and earn points for every 15 minutes of music. Payouts can be in the form of Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or bank transfers. Number 6. Research.fm. Research.fm, a market research provider for radio stations, lets you earn Amazon gift cards by reviewing music samples. Fill out an email survey about your demographics and listening habits to get started. Number 7. Cash 4 Minutes. An outlier on the list, Cash 4 Minutes monetizes your unused phone minutes. Call a provided number to listen to internet radio, and you'll earn a small amount for each minute tuned in. Cash out via PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, or Amazon gift card. Number 8. Earnably. Earnably is a platform where users complete tasks for points, including watching music videos and listening to radio stations. The more music you stream, the more points you collect. Redeem your points for Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or PayPal transfers. Number 9. Take online surveys. Occasionally, you can earn extra cash by listening to music on survey sites like Nielsen and Inbox Dollars. Nielsen, for instance, tracks your online activity and may invite you to participate in focus groups to share your feedback. So if the first website didn't quite strike the right chord for you, feel free to dance to the beat of these alternative tunes. The world of earning through music is full of surprises, and you've got a playlist of options to choose from. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money in creative and enjoyable ways. The world of opportunities is vast, and we're here to help you explore every note. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep grooving and keep earning.